Et voilà, donc on va prendre ça. Voilà. Et là, on va démarrer dans une vingtaine de minutes. Allez, à 9h15 je serai à l'escarene. Ciao. Voilà tout ce que j'ai monté donc depuis l'escarene. Là j'arrive au col Saint-Roch. C'est dur mais ça va gentiment. Sans trop s'affoler. On y arrive. Ça va, je vais mettre 1h45 pour sortir. C'est pas mal. Voilà, la montée là. Et la route. Voilà. Voilà. Donc là je suis à la Gabelle. Voilà. Donc je vais attaquer le sentier pour aller à l'ABS. Allez, ciao.
faking this. All I can say, it's a big surprise, watching those colors change inside your eyes. Blue to gray, yeah, you turn away, all it does is turn me on. Yeah, all it does is turn me on. Maybe this life is all a dream. Maybe daylight won't ask me questions. Maybe this life is all for me. A dangerous connection. Dangerous connection. Dangerous connection. I seem to find a way to tear apart. Every discussion leaves you battle scarred. When it hurts to love you, I just numb the pain. But I'm having trouble feeling anything. You want for answers and I can't reply. Take my advances as my way to try you again. Yeah, I turn away, all it does is turn you on. Yeah, all it does is turn you on. Maybe this life is all a dream. Maybe daylight won't ask me questions. Maybe this life is all for me. A dangerous connection. Yeah, maybe this life is all a dream. Maybe daylight won't show me questions. Maybe this life is all for me. A dangerous connection. Falling from the heavens. Let's get connected. Yeah, maybe this life is all a dream. Maybe daylight won't show me questions. Maybe this life is all for me. Oh, maybe everything we did between was just as dangerous as it seemed. Let's get connected. And the world can fall apart. You're holding on to my heart. Let's get connected.
Ouais, ben là donc le chemin ben, il est tout éclaté quoi. Pour voir si normalement je sors là-bas c'est bon. Mais bon, là c'est un peu la merde quoi. Enfin ça va le faire. Encore cette difficulté, puis j'approche de la baisse de Béas. Et après c'est bon, après encore arrivé, je suis arrivé. Encore 1h30 quoi. Allez, ciao. Voici le hameau de Béas. Voilà, site abandonné dans les maisons. Tout esclapé. Voilà. On est au hameau. Là j'ai encore à monter. Encore un peu derrière, après je bascule sur Saint-Colomban. Et j'ai presque fini. Voilà. Allez, ciao.
Thomasina's gonna be a rock star. All tattoos and leather boots and a diamond in her nose. She wants to travel with bodyguards behind tinted limo windows. What is she hiding from, and who will she become? Will her demons win the fight? She might be good enough, but is she strong enough to come out alive? She bides her time in a cover band, playing other people's songs. Hey, it pays the rent. It's all part of her grand plan. 'Cause fame is just around the bend. What is she hiding from, and who will she become? Will her demons win the fight? She might be good enough, but is she strong enough to come out alive? Then I see her up on stage, alone with her guitar. The rock star melts away, revealing what's in her heart. And in her deep confusion, her words are just a whisper. Still she clings to the illusion that fame will deliver her. Will deliver her. Thomasina's desperate for recognition. Everywhere she goes, even where she hides, praise and applause are her ammunition to fight the hurt inside, the hurt inside. What is she hiding from, and who will she become? Will her demons win the fight? She might be good enough, but is she strong enough to come out alive? What is she hiding from, and who will she become? Will her demons win the fight? She might be good enough, but is she strong enough to come out alive?
Donc voilà, donc je suis à lantosque. Voilà, je finis basta. C'est bon, j'ai fait un bon tour. Allez, tranquillou, je vais pas forcer. Je suis à la salle des fêtes de lantosque. Voilà. Allez, ciao, ciao.